beautiful blue VelociRaptor Ranger. I love these trucks. It's cool to have a little truck in our lineup. I think it's a really fun, peppy truck. We utilize the full power of the motor, which is really awesome. And then the aesthetics of it are perfect. I love our VelociRaptor front and rear bumpers, lift, wheels, and tires. Looks amazing and just drives way better than stock. So let's take it around the track and see what it does. So this is the VelociRaptor Stage 1 package. We also offer Stage 2, which is the same thing, except with upgraded off-road suspension. So if you're really serious about off-road, we have options for you. And then we also offer a Stage 3, which is the off-road suspension plus a taller lift. So if you want to be off-road and you want the bigger lift, we have something for that as well. Alright, so we're going to do a little maybe 0 to 40, 0 to 60 hit. Let's go. Alright, there's 40, 50, 60. That's pretty quick. Man, this truck is just fun to drive. It comes with a full 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty from Hennessey. That's one of our main things. We love doing it. We love giving you guys modified vehicles with a warranty. Gives you peace of mind. Alright guys, that wraps up a quick sights video on this VelociRaptor Ranger. I love the blue color, but if you want to see it in action, check out a VelociRaptor Ranger versus a Raptor video that we have on our YouTube channel, and you might be surprised at the result. Don't sleep on the VelociRaptor Ranger. It is a quick, peppy, and really fun truck that has a lot of utility to it. So give us a call today, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Ha 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 ha!